As we give you a cool 13 minutes to sort of brief through this, give us your first take. What do you make of this?
Look, investors were waiting to see what the numbers would look like. We've seen about $6 billion raised by pure play tech companies this year. A lot of those companies are up, but then you've got Uber and Lyft, and performances for some of those sorts of companies haven't been that good. And, as expected, Peloton's numbers show that this company is obviously not profitable,
right?
But their revenue is growing very fast. So their total revenue growth in the past couple of years was up 99% and 100%, 110% year on year. Their net losses, though, were last year $195.6 million.
And as you say, that's up from just $48 million in losses the year before. So losses are growing. And interestingly enough, in this statement, they say we expect to incur operating losses in the future and may not achieve or maintain profitability in the future. As you look at Peloton and some of the other deals you've covered, what is concerning? The fact that they're literally saying we may not be profitable?
They're all saying that, right? So investors have to figure out whether that is worth sort of buying into it anyway, because these are high growth companies, so they're choosing not to be profitable for now. However, they're pulling in the revenues, and once they get to a certain level, they can probably start to make some profits. But as you say, it's really concerning when a company says, hey, please buy our shares, but we may never be profitable, and they're saying they're not obviously going to be giving a dividend either.
Any idea what this means for the banks? We know that they, for now, have looked at an offering size of $500 million, though that could be just a placeholder. Goldman, JP Morgan, B of A, Barclays, UBS, Cowen, some big names involved. What do the fees look like?
Well, so the $500 million is just a placeholder, as you say. This company will be valued at probably around $8 billion. And we'll find out, in the coming weeks how much they'll actually look to raise from this.